Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to testing electrical devices, so this could be a saw, a motor, or something of that nature, what you need to know is how to do a continuity test. A continuity test checks for breaks in a wire. So on my multimeter here, this is the symbol for a continuity test. So I'll take the two leads. When I touch them, if there's a sound, there's continuity. Okay, so we have continuity. So this here is a heating element from a dryer I recently did. You see the break in the element. This element gets hot and it just produces heat. So when I tested this, I got no sound like I do right now. For the other two parts here, one is a fuse, the other one is a thermostat. So once again, we'll do a continuity test. We have a sound. We have a sound. That means both of these parts are working. So the reason you need to know how to do a continuity test is to check basic circuits to see if there's a break in a wire somewhere. It's a quick, simple test that can save you a lot of money. Guys, what I will do is I will link into the description the dryer that I did. I used the multimeter doing a continuity test to figure out that this element here, which is broken, wasn't working. And try to stay away from doing a snap diagnosis, assuming something is wrong without actually testing it. Because if you just assume and then you buy the wrong part, you just spent the money. And when it comes to electrical parts, they are generally not returnable. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.